PLA Navy Type 051C. China rebuilds destroyers with indigenous systems. News source Military Watch magazine. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Jones Castro here. China is carrying out deep modernization of its PLA Navy Type 051C destroyers, replacing older Russian supplied missiles and radar systems with newer, domestically developed technology. This upgrade marks a major shift toward full self-reliance in naval combat systems and reflects China's broader push to standardize and modernize its fleet. The Type 051C destroyers were originally built around Russian air defense missiles and sensors, which are now seen as outdated and harder to sustain. By integrating indigenous radars, combat management systems, and missiles, the PLA Navy is extending the service life of these ships while significantly improving their effectiveness in modern networked naval warfare. This modernization also improves interoperability with newer Chinese warships and reduces dependence on foreign supplies. Strategically, it strengthens China's air defense coverage at sea and reinforces its long-term goal of building a fully domestic, technologically advanced blue water navy capable of operating across the Asia Pacific and beyond. Thank you.